I am sure that it has happened with you, or you know at least one more person who has been a victim of online shopping delivery fraud. Hi, my name is amish.aggarwala. I'm an advocate practicing in Delhi, and today I'll be talking about the nightmare that people have to go through when they order something, especially when it is something valuable and something completely different turns out. Now, I, as a lawyer, get calls from friends, family, clients, acquaintances, all telling me one time or the other over the past several years that online shopping has started, that one occasion or the other, they received a package, they opened it, and the thing in there was completely different than what they had paid for. And in this kind of a situation, the and because of this, I have become so apprehensive whenever I receive any package. And of course, it's very difficult to go without online shopping, but when you do it and the package comes to your house, this is what I do, and this is what I recommend first and foremost for everyone to do. Make a video, pull out the phone and make a video of you opening the package, including a close up of that product with the barcode and with the details and everything, and then you coming out of it. The picture should not go out of the frame so that they cannot allege that you messed it up somehow, or you opened it and then you brought it back and you said no, iske andar to ye nahi, iske andar ye hai. Because we keep listening to news, and I wouldn't want you to be the next one who is going to order a phone and receive a brick instead. Now, a couple of things that you can do if you have a video, and even if you don't have a video. Of course, legal options are consumer complaint, you file it, you don't even need a lawyer for 99% of the work. Of course, if you have the evidence, it'll be much better. If you have a much better case. Apart from that, calling up the police or going to your local police station and complaining of the offense of section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, which is the offense of cheating, जिसको 420 कहते हैं. That offense you can also go and file. The police will do a little bit of research if they can, but of course, again, if you don't have any proof, it becomes much more difficult. Apart from that, one more thing that one client of mine tried a couple of months ago is also something which is not perhaps the a very legal way, but it is, of course, I mean, it is legal, but it is not something that you approach a lawyer for. So something hopefully that if you get into a situation like this, or someone you know gets into a situation like this, you'll still be able to manage without going to courts or going to the police. So what happened with this person was he got a laptop which was of a very different specification, different model than the one that he paid for. And the laptop that he paid for was a brilliant, brand new, very powerful one. He got a very, very mediocre, very, very low performing laptop, different company, different model, different specifications. So of course, we first started with sending a legal notice to the regular email IDs of the company, which is Amazon, which was involved over here. And no revert came back. And of course, it is understandable. These people get tens of thousands of emails every single day across the world. So they don't care about losers like you and me. However, there was another email ID that I was able to dig out, and that was Jeff Bhai Saab ka email ID. And along with that, the CEO of Amazon India. And when we sent the email to them, they immediately reverted back within perhaps a day or two, and in record time, within 7 days, they took the old defunct laptop back and they gave the new, the genuine, the authentic laptop back to the client. Now, of course, this was a lucky stroke. I'm not sure how often this will work or not. This is, of course, something that you start out with. If it doesn't work, because people tell me all the time that Amazon, Flipkart, the customer care is extremely non-responsive. They will just say, if you don't have proof, we can't help you. And again, coming back to the aspect of proof, a video of you having the packet in your hand, you pulling it back and you opening it, is something which is going to be complete foolproof evidence that you will have in your favor. And that is why it is very, very important. That is why every single time I receive any product which is maybe worth more than 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, I always go through this 30-second effort of making a video, so that in case I need to file a police complaint or a consumer complaint, and or both of them, I have something in my hand to show that I also have a bona fide. Because what happens is, and the delivery companies are not wrong, because a lot of times what happens is that people will order a phone, they will put a brick in that in the box and then click a picture and say I got a brick. This is what has happened a lot of times as well. People have gotten arrested for trying to dupe the online shopping companies as well. So you've got problems from both side of the fence, the purchaser as well as the seller. You, I'm assuming, watching this are the purchaser. Try to collect that evidence so that when you go to the police or the consumer court, you have something in hand to prove that you were victimized by either the company or the delivery boy, the delivery company, whoever the perpetrator is. That's all for today. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. Please subscribe. Thank you.